When first I left old England, sure such yarns as we were told, as how folks in Australia could pick up lumps of gold. So when we got to Melbourne town, we were ready soon to slip and get even with the captain and scuttle from the ship. With his swag upon me shoulder, Black Billy in me hand, I travel the bush of Australia like a true born native man.
Righto guys, so out on the gold today. Got these malachite here, and snagged one bit down here. There's a bit of specie, but then I got this one here. I thought I'll get the camera out because it's not bad at all. So can't complain about that. It's just on the surface, so in this real gravelly looking stuff, and the old timers threw that out, so I'll take that one home. Thanks very much. But we'll see what happens. Wasn't feeling too confident about this spot, but giving it a go. She's starting to show us some results, so alright, see what happens. On a target. Still could be a bit of lead. It's sounding deeper than where lead should be, so that's a good sign. We'll dig it up. As you can tell, that one's screaming out at me now. And indeed it was gold. There we go. It's going to be bigger because it's encased in conglomerate, I think, or a bit of sandstone. So that seems to be a lot. The gold seems to be trapped up in that sandstone conglomerate mix. So I'll happily take that home. Thank you. All right, moving on. Right, so had a deep target. Turned out to be this this button. It's getting a bit excited because I didn't see any rust. But anyway, it's this button. Somewhat of a different one I've found. So if you have any idea of what type of button that could be, how old it might be, or what brand, let us know. Right, cheers. Just pulled out another one here. Again out of that sort of sandstony stuff. Nice shiny bit of gold. Been a little bit slow this area, but I'll keep chipping along. You never know what's hiding beneath. So, alright, on to the next one. Righto guys, so I just had a heart attack target. That's down probably a foot for this belt buckle or suspender strap buckle, whatever you want to call it. In not bad nick at all actually, but Yeah, sometimes the relics are worth more than the gold, but haven't found too much this time, but got the relics though. No worries, cheers. One last one, and it's time to knock off. Just come out of this real darkish orangey gravel. So you can see the difference. There's this real tanny white stuff. Doesn't seem to be anything in there, but in that stuff seems to be holding gold. So interesting. Let us know if any of you experts out there have seen something similar. Okay. Cheers for watching, guys.